Eric, it's Saturday night. Eric is bringing out our towels as we have water all over our floor. And we're trying to, you can see the reflection off of this, trying to get it outside. We just saw piranha in 3D. A little scary. So yeah. What a luxurious honeymoon. Have to say. Water everywhere. Dripping down here. But our butler just said that another Rondeville on the other side had a window bust in, so thank the good Lord we haven't had that. We have water dripping down all in our bathroom. But our tub looks dry. Maybe we can take a shower. This is to the outside. Our door looks locked. Pretty dry on this side. Here, put these last towels down.
Those are still dry?
Kinda.
Okay, good.
Maybe you could hear. I don't know if you could see the wind blowing.
Are we saying we're going to sacrifice the last of these towels?
Yeah.
We used them all.
Oh, these are the towels. Right. The pool is flush with the ground.